How to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling printable travel planners on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of the product that you will be selling. Then we will move on to show you or to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help you a lot when it comes to finding if this product is really a winning product or not, and also it's going to help you when it comes to the future when you are looking for a winning product to work on, and also it's going to help you when it comes to spying on shops to see what are the products that are making them the most amount of money. And then I'm going to move to show you a platform that is going to help us when it comes to creating our own product to sell on Etsy. So let's get started by typing the name of the product in the search here to see some examples. Printable travel planners. So let's give it a few seconds to load. Then we will be able to see the product here, and keep in mind that always the first line before it completes searching or loading is always for the product that are sponsored by their sellers. As you can see, add by Etsy seller here, this one as well, add by Etsy seller, and you can just wait a little bit and you will see the products that are the ones that are popular now. As you can see here, it's completed loading. We have here Etsy's pick as well, and those are the ones that are popular right now, not the ones that were sponsored. So we can choose this one here, for example, or we can choose this one, but it's from the same creator, Creative Jam Co. Same thing here. This one is from My Life Plans, Simple Travel Itinerary. Let's choose this one here, which is Etsy's pick, and let's give it a few seconds to load. The product price is $3.14. So let's wait for it to complete loading. And here, before I take you to the spying tool, first I'm going to talk about the differences between digital products and physical products. So guys, when it comes to physical products, you will have to deal with a lot of problems daily considering your physical product. Starting with sourcing your product, you will always look for a place to get your product from. Then you will have to get it in somewhere like a storage place to store your product in. Then you will have to package the product, find a delivering company that is going to deliver the product in time, fast. Then you will have to worry about the returns and refunds, and also you will have to worry about paying for the company that is going to deliver the products for you. And here, when it comes to digital products, you will not have any of these problems, not even the refunds and not the returns. In digital products, the only thing you will have to worry about is creating your product, listing it on Etsy, then forget about it. It will work itself, and whenever someone buys the product, you will get the money straight to your bank account, and the client as well will get the product straight delivered to them to their email, or they will just download it on the platform, and everything is done between you and the client. That's why I like digital products more than physical products. So here I'm going to take you to the spying tool, which is everbee.io. It's where we are going to see if this is really a product that it's worth our time, or if it's not a winning product at all. So here, let's wait for it to load. But if you want my opinion, the more, when it comes to digital products, the more you can create and list on Etsy, the more the best, because in digital products you will not have to worry about the product. Just take 2 hours or 1 hour of your time, create the product, list it on Etsy, and then if it's a winning, that's good. If it's not, it will get you one sale or two sales or even 3 sales a month, and it's very good for you because you are not paying for any fees whatsoever. It will always be considered as a passive income for you. So here, let's use the shop analyzer. That's the tool we are going to use to see the insights of this shop. And here, let's take the name of the shop, Creative Jam Co. Copy the name, then let's drop it in the search here. Click on search, and let's wait for it to load. Here, let's wait for it to load to see if this is really a winning product or not. So here, let's see first the age of this shop. This shop's age is 51 months, and these are the total shop sales. That's a very impressive number, as you can see. If you can just multiply this number by $2 or $3 or $4, you will notice that these people are making a lot of money only selling digital products. Here, let's look for the 30-page travel planner printable. So let's look for it here. We need to scroll down. As you can see, they have a lot of products listed on their shop, more than 4,000 products. That explains the amount of sales that they have, and also it confirms the idea that I have talked, or the idea that I have mentioned, which is the no matter how many products you can add, just add them, they will always make you money. Here, it's not this product. I'm still looking for the 30-page travel. I need to find that particular product, but we can just check the reviews in here if we didn't find it. So here, this product got 34,000 reviews, which means it's a very lucrative product, and it's also a winning product. I am super excited to use this printable planner to help me plan and stay organized for my 2-3 week Europe trip in 2025. So that means this product is still working to this day. So that means directly that this is a winning product. We don't even need to see the insights. So let's just move on directly to create a product like that for our own. You can just open canva.com to do that and give it a few seconds to load. Then type the name of the product in the search, and you will be provided with a lot of templates that can help us create a product like that with just adjusting the templates that we will have. Add your touch, change some colors, then list it on Etsy as your product. So here you can take one of these, add your touch, then list it on Etsy directly. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.